Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a wired mouse M200 from HP. This is hypothetically a gaming mouse, not super high-end. I think it goes for about $10 or $12 depending on where you're buying it. This is the Asia edition, so it's got Chinese on the box and whatnot. But basically it has 4 DPI adjustable modes for obviously switching around games, 6 buttons, optical sensor. Let's go to the main features here. So it talks about that 4 DPI sensitivity settings. I should note that some of these features are Windows only, since this thing is listed as, I guess you probably need a driver for Windows, but basically it works on a Mac. I personally actually have used one of these on a Mac, so they definitely work, but maybe some of those fancier features you can't use on a Mac. But basically, built to last, 5 million clicks, etc., contoured comfort, you know, all the standard BS. Got the warranty from HP for 1 year, and it repeats everything here in Chinese and Korean. And this is the black one. There's also, I guess, silver or gray. This one also in Chinese lists itself as the silent version. I don't know if there's a non-silent version, but basically it doesn't make that much noise, or less noise than a mouse. It doesn't make a click sound, supposedly. So let's find that out when we unbox it. What it doesn't mention on the box is that it actually has like those multicolored LEDs inside that kind of cycle through. It's become kind of popular as a gimmick, easy to do. So here we are. Here is our warranty card and our instructions. I guess that's the product support. Product notice. Sort of your safety info, if you need that for a mouse. Warranty card, if you want to send that in. So here's your diagram explaining what all the buttons are. It's got a DPI switch, forward button, back button, etc. Those are all the extra buttons on here. Teflon feet, optical sensor, some detail on how to switch, and more of the same stuff on the box. And here we are for the actual mouse. Of course, this is going to be kind of anticlimactic. There's not much to it. Basically, it's got a rubber grip on the wheel. That's kind of nice, I guess. And that's your DPI switch. I guess it just toggles. And front and back, it's got some grip here, I guess. And what else do we have? Just the sensor, Teflon feet, cable. This thing lights up, I think here and around the edge, or underneath here, I should say. It glows different colors, and that sort of cycles through. I don't know if there's, on some of these mice, they have a way to like pick a specific color and stick with it, but I think this one just continuously cycles. So yeah, it's not quite as bright as some of the other ones. So there's the one we did on this channel previously had like a continuous strip around it, which was always pulsing. This one's a little bit less stated. It's like glazed and stuff. So anyway, that's the mouse. So, and as you can tell, it doesn't make, I mean, it makes a sound, but it's not like a clicking sound. It's a lot quieter than a normal mouse, like that. I guess this one still clicks, but these ones don't. Which probably, if you're like in a cafe with like 50 people using the same mouse, it's probably nice to not have to hear the clicking, all the people playing games at the same time. So anyway, that's basically it for the M200 wired mouse. We really like wired mice, not a fan of the wireless mice. So yeah, check it out if you get a chance. This one is made in China, by the way. So that's it for today. See you guys next time here on Howtechs. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. See you. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro, hot off the presses. I just picked it up at the Apple Store. It is the morning of the release, the 23rd of October.